Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Anugrah Zainuri. My student number is 2114300023. My class is Mechanical Engineering, Grade 1. Okay, I can explain about a cooler. Thing I will explain. Number one is definition of coolers. Number two, types of coolers. Number three, problems that often occur in coolers. Number four, the uses of coolers in the oil and gas industry. Number one is definition. Cooler is a tool that serves to prevent the occurrence of overheating by cooling a fraction of heat by using a cold liquid medium so that there will be heat transfer from a hot fluid to the cooling media without any change in temperature. Cooler have two types. Number one is box cooler. Number two is cell and tube cooler. Number one, box cooler. This type of cooler is very efficient because the process is quite easy. In this tool, there is a coil. Coil is a type of pipe but has many small holes, which is used to drain hot fluid, while the cooling water will fill the box cooler and cover the coil. Then there will be heat absorption by cooling water, so that the fraction that comes out of the cooler box has matched the desired heat. Number two is cell and tube cooler. In this type of cooler, the process of cooling the fraction is done by draining the heat fraction through the pipe, while the cooling water is flowed through the cell so that it will experience direct contact with the surface of the pipe containing the hot and heat fraction of the fraction will be absorbed by the water flow. This is a peak of cell and tube cooler. Problems that often occur in coolers. Number one is corrosion. Corrosion is an electrochemical process by which metals return to their natural form as oxides. Number two, scale. Scale is the emergence of solid layers in the form of inorganic materials such as magnesium silicate, calcium carbonate, and silica that are formed due to deposition. Number three, fouling, namely the accumulation of solid materials or the formation of deposit layers on the surface of pipes such as crystal layers and sediment layers that can continually inhibit the process of heat transfer. 4. Biological contamination. This problem is caused by uncontrolled microbial growth that can lead to the formation of solid deposits. The use of coolers in oil and gas industry. Coolers are used to cool the processed petroleum fraction, basically the fraction of petroleum that has been processed, especially in the distillation column, has a fairly high heat, so the heat needs to be lowered before being put into the storing it's in the storage tank because generally its type of tank has special characteristics in terms of fluid storage. Okay, thanks for watching.